Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to open the documents directory or the documents folder in Windows. So first of all, what is the documents in Windows? So all the documents that you create or the other files related with the documents are stored on your documents folder in your Windows operating system. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So we are back here at my desktop. So to open the documents, I will need to click on the start menu and then I will just click on this documents. So these are all the documents in my computer system, my Windows. So this is how you open the documents directory or the documents folder in Windows. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this folder, we have covered how to open the documents in Windows. So this video covers everything about the documents in Windows, how to open them and where are the files stored in the Windows. Now, thank you for watching.